This is a tutorial on how to create a database. Now, for the rest of the database tutorials, we're going to use the MySQL database server and a collection of tools that we can use later on for web development. Here we have the XAMPP suite. XAMPP, well, I don't really know what X means, but I'm sure that A stands for Apache, M stands for MySQL, and P stands for PHP. Now, these three tools are essential in making websites, and since we're also going to do tutorials for making websites, let's just use this application suite. And well, you can download the installer for this suite from apache-friends.org. They were the guys who actually compiled everything so that we can just install everything in one click. Because, well, before, when we want to use Apache, MySQL, and PHP, we'd have to install each application separately. So I think this is a pretty easy way to install everything. Well, thank you guys from ApacheFriends.org. So let's start. Now, with XAMPP, we already have a tool that makes it easy for us to create a database. So it's called the phpmyadmin. So let's make sure, again, the control panel, let's make sure that Apache is running and MySQL is running. Okay, put that to the side. There we go. So we access phpmyadmin using a browser. Okay, let's type localhost. Sorry, localhost phpmyadmin. Hit enter. Wait for it to load. Now, this is phpmyadmin. This actually shows us the number of databases inside our database server. So what we can do is to create a database by just writing and clicking. However, the lesson for today involves SQL, or the language in creating database itself. So we're going to have to write SQL code. So point your mouses here. Okay, there is a text box where you can write your command. So let's go back to the list of data definition language keywords that we're going to use. So we have create database. Okay, so this is how to use it. Simply type create database. Now, you don't have to worry if the text that you are typing is in upper or lower case, because remember, SQL is not case sensitive. So let's write create database and name it whatever we want to name it. Let's say MyDB. Okay. When you click go, guess what? You have a new database. So here it is. You can click it and you will see that it has no tables. Okay, create table is up next.